Hello again, this is Rowan, and I'd like to show you one of my works in NinjaTrader 8. So it's a platform for creating futures, and this one is currently running on a PropFirm account. So I'm testing it. I built a strategy which uses moving averages, and it's just using two entries with an SL and TP. One is a farther TP, and the other is a closer one. And as you can see, this has taken trades in the past. So as you can see here, it's a win. Sometimes it's a loss. So it's just I haven't re-optimized it yet again, but it's I can show you that it's working. Yeah, it's been managing these accounts via copy trading systems like the Apex Trade Copier. Sometimes I also use the Replicanto Flowbots trade copier. And as you can see, this is the graph that it has built over for the past, I think it's around more than 4 months now. Yeah, it's around 4 months running. So I haven't breached the account yet. I'm just trying to test it out. So I have other uh, ideas that might be useful to improve the strategy. I might be able to use the Ninja Renko candlesticks, or maybe I could use the Heikanashi. Maybe that would work better for this strategy because it could get the what they call that the right momentum and the right timing for trades. Because as far as I've seen, most of the backtest that I did in trading view strategies is most of the strategies perform better using Heikanashi or Renko bars. So this is just an example. I also have another setup or same setup on another prop firm. This one is Apex and the other one is on Bullnox. Let's show you that one. So they are basically doing somewhat good. This one is using a Replicanto trade copier. Check if I have performance. So this one is an old performance showing other bots that I've tested and also bots from the other groups. So let me focus on today. Today is 9/9. Let me focus on this one and I'll just select the accounts that were traded by the bots that I created. Okay, so let me click them and let's see. So it's quite taking time. Yeah, because NinjaTrader is quite slow. So let me show you how the parameters looks like. So the parameters are also selective. Uh, show you. Oh, this one is. uh It my screen have mixed up the. Yeah, it has mixed up the settings. So let's go back here. This is the Bullnox. Uh-huh. The Bullnox setup, and the other one is this is the this is the Apex. So I have to move one of this screen, this one. So this one goes here. So I just have to minimize this one for now. So this is the Apex version. So I'll show you the configuration. So as you can see here, this is my I have the EMAs and I have also the SL or stop loss offset here. Um, as you can see, we have there's a switch for backlist mode. I have the start time and end time. So I mostly use these times as these times are in these are in Mountain Standard Time. So I mostly built the bots using the Eastern Standard Time. But for this server, I'm using Eastern Mountain Standard Time. And then I have the TP1, TP2, and then SLTP. Yeah, so that's how it's there, and it should be submitted immediately. So this is how I built this bot. So this is just an example. So there's one and there's one for yeah. I think there's some sort of problem here. Let me check this one. It's running somewhat not loading on the MG. bots. Try to check this one. It's really there. Okay, it's activated. The other one, try it. Okay, it's still really there, but it's not just showing on the screen. Maybe it's some form of glitch for NinjaTrader. So that's how it looks. So I think this window is from the, yeah, this one is from the Bullnox. So yeah, this Bullnox. And we could generate a report from there. And let's see. So it has some dips because as far as I remember, there's some news and that has breached the account. And I have restarted it to trade again using the strategy I built, which is I call Clipper. So this is how it looks. And so this is just a way to show you my capabilities on writing bots, even on NinjaTrader 4. Thank you. Again, this is Rowan, and I've been doing algorithmic trading or writing codes for automation or AI for trading.